Hello and welcome to this unusual video about me fixing, and this is now burning a CER, fixing of a Plextor drive. Now I thought to myself, since I have a whole box of Plextor drives of various vintages, these are excellent drives, and I have 3000 CDRs, and once they failed I sort of used to buy another one. But since now I fix CD players, I thought to myself, well, how hard can it be? Oh, yeah, it burned it. Well, it was pretty hard. Well, hard and easy, but I'm totally out of my depth. Firstly, this is a USB unit, okay? And I think Plextor were pretty clever about it, because in fact that is an IDE unit with a board that interfaces the whole thing. I hope not going to burn it, but that's I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's the interface there with some chips. Now it was making evil noises, and I've never ever done anything with let me get that out, slot drives, and this is a slot drive. It's got some levers there, things are happening. I'm just scared to open it up because I don't, or maybe not open up, dismantle it, because I'm just not comfortable enough to work on it, to take it apart, because I would never be able to put it together. Just don't understand how it works. And originally this is the pack on it. Sorry, I'm a bit incoherent, but I'm just surprised that I fixed it in the simplest ways possible. I put one of those packs on it, right, and it just flew off, because as you know, CDs are much slower than DVDs. But CD burners work, at least in read mode, 50, or even write mode, 50 plus times, or 16 times the DVD speed. Now when this thing just goes, it goes, and that pack flew off somewhere into the workshop. This is what happened to the disc. It's got scratches and stuff. So then I tried to match another one, and that's the one there that sort of fits. And you see it's got those two ridges. But when it goes, you can, if you want to center, just put your fingernail there, and you do not see that it is not round, because it spins so fast that it, presents just as the round surface. Anyway, am I clever or not? No, I'm not, because it was just making noises. And I thought, no, maybe the head keeps banging at the rest post. So I've noticed, you see over there, there is a limit switch. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a limit switch there. So I took it apart, took the bottom, to get to it. But there's another logic board, an AKM K8584B chip there. I don't know if it's a DAC or whatnot, but I mean, these things output analog as well. So there is a DAC here of some sort, but I couldn't find any info on that AKM thing. So not having access to that limit switch, I just sprayed the hell out of it there, put the disc, and it worked. So so I have a bucket full of those drives, or different iterations, that I'll have to now revisit now that I fix CD players, and see if I can do any better with them. So that one is burned. Let me see. I'll show you that it's not easy to load it, because one has to be pretty quick with the pack. Otherwise, there's a calamity going on. And of course, you can't see much because the disc obstructs it all. So if anybody has a small CD, test CD or DVD, I'll welcome and I'll buy it from you. You see, oh Jesus Christ! And now it, this is what's happening. Okay, so let me put that there. Ah, there you go. Oh well. Let me see what the file manager says about it. Is it the blank disk? There it is, blank disk. Okay, so it has read it in, so I can burn another one. So yeah, as the guy on the internet says, winner chicken dinner. Thank you very much, and sorry about lack of coherence on this, but I wasn't sure if it's gonna work again. Goodbye.